You are welcome to Oracle's Trading, your last stop to your trading education. Today we'll be considering why the Forex market. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Share the videos so that other losing and struggling traders out there can be brought out of the pit of losers or of losing. We want to talk about some of the advantages of trading Forex out there. We are not here to promote the Forex market. We just want to help traders to make money. But these are some of the advantages that you have out there, and where it is questionable, we are going to let you know. So number one, we have here 24-hour Forex market. The Forex market is there for 24 hours, 5 days a week, from Sunday night to Monday morning. Low demand for startup capitals. Yes, you can start up with little capital to test the market, but if you want to make Forex a livelihood, a means of livelihood, you need to put in tangible amount of money to start up. There is no compulsory fixed standard lot on Forex market. Yes, you can vary your lot sizes at any time. 4, solid leverage of the Forex market. That is true, it is there. Tremendous liquidity of the Forex market. Number 5, there are no commissions on most Forex transactions. That is not absolutely true, but the transaction cost is such that you really don't feel it. You really don't feel it. It's not obvious. You really don't feel it. So then we have a low transaction costs, free software, and free demo access to the Forex market. So before you decide to be a trader, you have access to free software, demo accounts, where you can try your abilities before you begin to trade. You need to be sure of yourself. You need to be sure that this is the business you actually want to do before you delve into it. So that opportunity is there for traders to do so. But many traders, because of the profit potential of the market, the profit opportunity the market offers, they are not patient enough to try what they have, to learn the ropes. They jump into trading and then they are burnt. So you need to take your time. You have free access to demo trading over there in the market. Some people ask that, is demo trading and real life trading, are they the same? They are not absolutely the same, in the sense that the emotion of one may be more than the other if you are not trained on emotion management. So this channel is going to be teaching you all of that, and then we are just concerned about making you successful in trading. You need you will conquer your emotions like that. Then number 9, we have here that the impossibility to totally control and manipulate the market by any entity. Now look at that word. I told you that these are some of the advantages that are outlined out there. So you see that they said impossibility to totally control. So it means that to some extent the Forex market is controlled. Please bear that in mind. Bear that in mind. There are techniques they call stop loss hunting. The stop losses of traders are haunted by the big guys in the market. Why? Because number one, some have access to see these stop losses. The brokers, they have access, they see your stop losses. So, and you don't see the stop losses of other traders. So the market is not a fair playing ground. You may not be told this. It's not a fair playing ground. So you should understand where you are going to. You should understand the kind of ocean you are going to swim. So while some have access to the back end and can do some kinds of manipulations from the back ends, especially over the counter brokers, others don't have that access. So now, if you have to have a robust technique, you have to take into account market manipulation, whether partial control of the market or total control. It is none of our business. We need to master and have strategies to overcome manipulations in the market. Don't be afraid of this. We are telling you this because we have the solution to it, and we are going to be bringing it your way. You just subscribe and follow all of our videos. Don't take any of our videos for granted, because each video will be bringing you something that you may not have ever learned or known about, as much as possible. Then the 10th one that you will often not see anywhere, is that the forex market and the financial market in general, but we are using forex market as a case study, offers transgenerational opportunities. Now you can imagine, if you are a sound trader, if you are a profitable trader, if you are a successful trader, what becomes of your generation? They already have something. They already have a means to meet their needs and their wants on this planet Earth. That is what I cherish most about the market. Not all of this, you can go anywhere and make market and make money. And once you understand the concept of trading, then you are free from financial tightness. So let me leave it at that, and let us move on to the disadvantages. You see, you rarely hear the disadvantages of the forex market. You rarely hear that. We are going to tell you, because this channel is about truth. We are bringing truth to you, because when you know the truth, you become free. Now, the truth is, if you do not have a guide, someone to teach you step by step, a successful trader to teach you step by step on how to succeed as a trader, and you want to go alone, it takes too long to learn. But Oracle trading is here to shorten your learning curve and make you enjoy to trade from the beginning. At the end of our trading, when we begin to dish out the techniques and the trade, everything to you now, you are going to wonder why. You are going to wish you had known about this channel long before now. Forex market takes too long to learn if and only if you set out on your own. If you set out alone, if you set out without a successful guide, it may take you too long to learn. How many years does it take to be a pilot? How many years does it take to be an engineer? Forex can take you decades to master. Hear this and hear again. You want to go on your own? You think it is like every other business? I tell you the truth, it can take you so long, too long to learn. Number two, access to true education is rare until Oracle's trading channel came up. Until this channel came up. That is why you should subscribe quickly to all our videos, because we are meant, or because we meant to bring traders out of struggling to trading, enjoy your trading, and to trading successfully. The education there is not robust enough to make you a successful trader, and that is why it takes you so long. And what if we tell you that in 3 days, just 3 days, we bring traders from struggling traders to traders that are successful, that know what they are doing in the market? 3 days is enough. 3 days, yes. That is because we know what matters and what don't, and we give it to traders, to our trainees. Straight. Take it straight. Go and be making money with that. So one of the big, very, very big problem in the Forex market is access. Who will give you the access to go and be making money every day with ease? Just like that. So the knowledge, the key of knowledge, that is the access, is held and kept by some. You have to collect it by force. Let us leave that for now. So, number one problem or disadvantage of the Forex market is that it takes too long to learn. Two, the access is rare. Okay, you have the money, you want to buy the access, you cannot even get the access to buy. Courses upon courses online have not changed your trading results, but Oracle's trading is here for you. Number three, scams are too many in the industry. People that are making money from other traders are too many. You see, this course comes up, just buy this course and you are this, you are that, you are too many. And how to filter them is so difficult by a newbie. It is very, very difficult. That is why there is need for a guide. A guide that has succeeded in the market and is ready to show you the way. Number four, over 90% traders are consistent losers. Now listen to this. Listen to these statistics. Over 90% trader are consistent losers. See that word, consistent. Consistent losers. We are not talking of losers. We are talking of those that are consistent. So meaning that there are losers that are not consistent. This does not involve, you see, the remaining 10% or less include those that are stagnant. They make profit today and lose it tomorrow. Make profit now, lose it. So they are stagnant. They are good traders. If you are in that category, you are good. It does mean that you only need a little push to make you a successful trader. I congratulate you if you are a trader that has broken even, that have broken even. Yes, the lies thrive in the Forex market, lies, hype, and all of that. So a lot of traders remain struggling traders. Our closing promise. If you are serious about becoming the trader you've always wanted to be, subscribe now, because we are going somewhere. Oracle's trading isn't about hype. It's about truth, discipline, and results. You are welcome home, fellow trader.